Upgraded HD reversing camera kit using 1080p HD, analog high-definition trailer backup camera can provide more colorful image. Support voltage range from District of Columbia 12 to 36 V. DC power perfect for wide variety of large vehicles, especially suit for trucks, RVs, trailers, bus, pickup, motor home, van, etc. Dual video input monitor has capability to monitor two video inputs V1, V2. You can add second rear view mirror camera or license plate camera for pickup truck as Hitch rear view camera or front camera. It can flip images mirrored, facing, horizontal, vertical. Reverse camera with IP69 Waterproof Camera with 150-degree viewing angle and 8 LED light night vision. Super clear view even at dark. It also meet IP69 waterproof standard, able to work temperature resistance as -22 degrees Fahrenheit approximately 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Very easy installation. Rear camera and monitor are connected directly via 4-pin 66 feet video cable. Juse need 1 power. Powered by connecting to 12V36V source fuse box or cigarette lighter PowerPoint ignition. Good service. Backup camera system has a 2-year warranty and lifetime tech support. Please contact us if you have any product questions. Top reviews from the United States. Better than what you pay for. You get what you pay for does not apply in this case. You get much more. I tried other systems costing as much as 6 times what this one did, and this backup camera system outperformed them all. This is a wired system, but if that is what you are looking for, this will work great. Why pay more elsewhere? The customer service is also great. They offer a free accessory to anyone willing to make a review.